बिकॉज इतने महीनों से कोई चीज़ अगर हमने खराब की है तो उसको फिक्स करने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड. जस्ट टेक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. लेट्स कीप इट रियल. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी more like a video where I failed, then I got up, then I again flunked, then I again got up.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is the first episode of my series called Life Makeover, and if you have seen my previous video you would have an idea of what I'm talking about. See, in my last video I had spoken about my screwed up morning routine, and उस वीडियो में मैंने like literally सारी भड़ास निकाल दी थी because I was so irritated with the kind of schedule I was following at that point of time. And in fact many of you out there would agree to the fact that जब से लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ है we have no track of the time, we have no control over the time we are waking up, the time we are sleeping. सब कुछ पूरा आउट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन हो चुका है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू फिक्स माई मॉर्निंग रूटीन ऑन द डेज व्हेन आई थिंक कि मुझे जल्दी उठना है, तो भी मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. एंड जब नहीं कर पाते हैं जो चीज़ सोची है तो अननेसेसरी गिल्ट होता है, राइट. सो वही चीज़ मेरे साथ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रोज़ के बेसिस पे हो रहा था. सो आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विद द काइंड ऑफ रूटीन आई वॉज फॉलोइंग. लेट सोना, लेट उठना एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो आई थॉट कि इस सीरीज़ में सबसे पहले इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप जो मुझे फिक्स करना है मेरी लाइफ का वो है मॉर्निंग रूटीन, जहाँ पे मैं चाहती हूँ अगर जल्दी उठना तो मुझसे वो हो पाए. So that is the reason I decided that the first problem which I'm going to fix for myself before this year ends is the morning routine. Acha, and one more thing, if you're expecting that this video is going to be a like win-win video where I decided that I'm going to wake up early and magically next day onwards I wake up early, no, this is not that kind of video. Let's keep it real. This is going to be more like a video where I failed, then I got up, then I again flunked, then I again got up. So it's going to be like that because इतने महीनों से कोई चीज़ अगर हमने ख़राब की है तो उसको फिक्स करने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. So that is what happened. So it took me time. If any one of you out there want to fix their morning routine and just want to know what exactly happened and what and all the steps I did to make sure that I'm able to wake up in the morning, so just watch this video. I really hope it helps, and if any one of you are able to get back to your best schedule because of this video and you get motivated, then I'll be more than glad. Without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Right now I'm at a very happy place where I'm able to get up early these days without any problem. And also it is said, right, 21 days habit, so that is why you get to see a lot of 21 days challenge if not 30 days challenge, because anything less than that doesn't help you. Hi guys, it's day 1 and मैं just अभी 10 मिनट पहले उठी हूँ. And timing तो yeah, okay, I'll have to tell you the timing. I'll attach a snapshot because मैं फ़ोन से शूट कर रही हूँ तो फिर मेरे पास दूसरा फ़ोन नहीं है to click the picture. What's the timing? So I just went to Instagram, and Instagram में we have the app, we have the filters, right, where the date and the time gets selected. So I have clicked the snapshot and I just got up some 10 minutes before, which is like around 9:24, 9:25 के आसपास. The same thing happened since last 1 or 2 weeks. मुझे सुबह 4-5 बजे से पहले नींद नहीं आ रही है. So the same thing happened. I went to bed early but then I couldn't sleep till 5:15 I think. लेकिन यूजुअली 5 बजे अगर मैं सुबह सोती हूँ तो मेरी नींद खुलती है 12:30-1 बजे तक. लेकिन आज विदाउट अलार्म सबकॉन्शियसली आई जस्ट हैड इट इन माई माइंड, तो 9:30 से पहले ही मेरी नींद खुल गई. एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट बैक टू बेड, क्योंकि अगर मुझे अपना साइकिल फ़िक्स करना है तो मुझे एक दिन कम सोना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि रोज़ यही हो रहा है कि मैं अपना स्लीप कंप्लीट कर देती हूँ तो फिर मुझे रात को फिर जल्दी नींद नहीं आती है, फिर जल्दी नींद नहीं आती है तो मैं जल्दी उठ नहीं पाती हूँ. सो इफ़ आई हैव टू फिक्स दैट आई हैव टू let go one day. So I'll just get started with my day, and जो हमने other 2 things plan किए थे वो I'll just execute. So that is 1 hour of me time where I'll be meditating and reading something, or maybe go for a small walk and come, and then I'll go through my to-do list out the plans, priorities, and then I'll just get started with my day. Right now I'm very hungry, so I'll just go and grab something to eat, and I'll keep you guys posted. सो अभी रात के 10:15 हो रहे हैं एंड मैंने अपना काम ऑलमोस्ट सब ख़त्म कर लिया है एंड मैं अभी सोने जा रही हूँ. आई होप मुझे जल्दी से नींद आ जाए और आई होप कल मैं थोड़ा और जल्दी उठ पाऊँ. लेट्स सी. आज के लिए 9:30 बजे उठी, विच आई डोंट थिंक इज़ बैड थिंग बिकॉज अचानक से 12-1 बजे से 9:30 में आना is not that easy, and also every day cannot be perfect, so I'm not going to show my perfect side. Let's work on getting better every day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. So I have stepped out for a small walk and like not going for any jogging or something. I'll take small steps at a time. This is part of my me time which we decided. उसके बाद then I'll just go and sit for meditation, finish my reading. Reading I'm not going to stop because I have to read at least for 10 minutes every day. So that I'll do and then I'll get on to my to-do list. So no matter how much ever we are charged up on every day, there will be definitely some days in the week where we'll be little less motivated and थोड़ा सा कम charged up होंगे for doing any work. So उन दिनों में मेरे पास एक छोटा सा hack है जो मेरे लिए काम करता है. I really hope it works for you as well. So what I do is I just after I take bath I just get ready a bit. Like I put on a little makeup like kajal, eyebrow and थोड़ा सा lipstick, and that definitely makes me look a lot more presentable and it makes me feel very good about myself. I'm sure the girls out there can relate to it कि जब आप अच्छे से थोड़ा सा तैयार होते हो, चाहे जितना भी लेजीनेस हो, एक फील गुड फैक्टर हो ही जाता है. So the same is the case with me as well. Let me just get started with my day as usual and get on to my work, and that really helps me on the days when थोड़ा सा gloomy सा atmosphere रहता है. If you haven't tried it, then do give it a try and let me know if it works for you. So that's it. बस eyebrow, काजल, lipstick and थोड़ा सा concealer and हो गया, and I feel a lot more fresh and presentable than what I was before. So now I'll just get on to my work and see you guys later. गाइस. सो पिछले कुछ दिनों से मुझे नींद रात को 12-1 बजे के बाद ही आ रही थी, तो इट वॉज गेटिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वेक अप लिटिल अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली कल मैं 11:30 को सोने गई एंड आई थिंक इन अनदर हाफ एन आवर आई जस्ट स्लेप्ट ऑफ एंड दैट मेड इट अ लॉट मोर ईजियर फॉर मी टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. सो टुडे आई गॉट अप बाय 6:15 विच इज़ लाइक वाओ फॉर मी. आई होप कि कल भी मैं जल्दी ही उठ पाऊँ एंड फॉर दैट आई नीड टू स्लीप, क्योंकि last 2 days I was getting up by 7:45 or so, but the point was I was sleeping only after 1:30. उसके बाद ही मेरी आँख लग रही थी, so it was getting very difficult. But anyway, so I got up early, so I'll just finish reading something and meditate for a while, and then I'll just get started with my day. I decided that I'll at least shoot for 7 days, but something happened. I made sure that even if my sleep hours are not completed, I will still wake up somewhere closer to the decided time so that वो sleep debt carry forward होकर मुझे रात को जल्दी नींद आ जाए, and then my next day routine anyways will get fixed up. Good morning guys, it's day number 6 and after 5 successful days of waking up early, आज का दिन is screwed up. रीज़न भी है, ऐसे ही तो कुछ होता नहीं है. So the thing is, until 1:30 in the night I didn't get sleep. So I thought I'll just get on to my work. So I was doing some editing and I was fresh till 1:30. So I thought okay fine, अब सोने जाती हूँ. तो फिर 4:30 तक नींद नहीं आई. I don't know why. I was just trying to get some sleep. So maybe एक होता है ना वो एक टाइम जब सोना चाहिए तब नहीं सो तो उसके बाद एकदम फ्रेश हो जाता है. So maybe something like that happened. So yeah, so from 4:30 to 9:30 is what I would have slept, but I'm not going to go back to sleep again because I have to reset my timing for tomorrow. So आज जल्दी नींद आनी है तो आज अगर नींद कम भी है तो it's okay. And one thing is, I am not feeling that guilty about waking up late like how guilty I used to feel before. It's comparatively lesser. Maybe because all these days I had been getting up on time, so I'm like ठीक है एक दिन गड़बड़ हो गई तो क्या हुआ, we'll fix it tomorrow. That kind of mindset has come, which I think is good. But yeah, I'll have to fix it from tomorrow. So I'll get started with my day without feeling guilty about anything, and I'll make sure that I make most of the day as per the plan and schedule. And timing ठीक है, we'll fix it from tomorrow again. So it shouldn't be a big deal क्योंकि अब आदत पड़ गई थोड़ी दिनों की. So I'm like okay, I can do it. So see you. Hi guys, a quick update for today. Actually आज मुझे बाहर जाना था, so I had to get up in the morning and leave, and I had to travel a lot and drive as well. So इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा आज लेट उठी थी 8:30 अराउंड, क्योंकि अगर नींद पूरी होगी तो ही मैं ट्रैवल और ड्राइव कर पाऊँगी. तो I just went in the morning and I'm back only by like now. It's too late in the night already. So आज का दिन is almost like a off Sunday है, but I really did not wanted to take off, but then yeah, this unplanned work had come up, so I had to go today. So कल से फिर से हम complete करेंगे, and 7 days का routine था तो आज 7th day complete नहीं हुआ है, तो I'm going to extend this 7 days vlog for 10 days. So let's see, कल से I'm back to routine, so I'll keep you guys posted. Good morning guys, today is the 9th day and guess what, मैं कितने बजे उठी हूँ? I've got up at 5:15. I know इतना जल्दी उठने का प्लान में है ही नहीं, मेरा प्लान सिर्फ 6 to 7 के बीच में उठने का है. But then what has happened is नींद खुल गई है somehow, and I am not going to go back to the bed क्योंकि that is the biggest blunder I will be doing if I do that, because if I go back to sleep again I'll be having a second round of sleep which might last for 2 to 3 hours again. So I'm not taking that chance. So I'll just get started with my day. So I think I'm very much on track for the morning routine as of now. I'll just get started with my meditation and reading. I'll just freshen up. So the only thing which I have to still work on is रात को सोते ही मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है. So I think I'll have to figure out something for that, क्योंकि मुझे कभी कभी जल्दी नींद आ जाती है एंड कभी कभी मुझे लग जाता है 1 घंटा 1.5 2 घंटा on the bed. So I have to fix that. But anyways, right now the focus is morning routine and we are working on it, and I'm pretty sure I have come a long way. So let's see. I'll see what time I wake up tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted. So that's it guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video useful and I really hope this motivated you to some extent, and if it did then please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to come up with more episodes in this series so that it helps you and also me in some way, so that on the days when I'm demotivated I can just watch my own videos and I feel charged up and get that spark to just think that I can do it if I've decided. And not everyone will have the same problems like mine, so if you have any other issues which you want to fix in your life, definitely you can also do it. Just take one step at a time, because even I have a lot of things to fix, but I decided to go for only the first problem, which is my morning routine, and after that maybe I'll just take up the other issues as well. So you just decide what is the issue which you are facing. If I could change my morning routine, you can change your other issues as well. It's just that take one step at a time and things will be fine for you. So in this video you are seeing a completely different Annie who has just made sure that she is able to execute the things which is running in her head and not being guilty about the fact that she is not able to execute her own plans. So I'm at a very happy place right now, so I'm glad that I just took up this challenge. And it's not a challenge exactly, it's something which I really wanted to do for myself. Challenge is something maybe you just do for a while and then just leave it off, but this is something which I wanted to do for many days. And now if on certain days if I'm not able to wake up also, it's absolutely fine, because my confidence for the other days has increased. It's more like आज नहीं उठ पाई तो क्या हुआ, कल तो अगर उठना है तो I can wake up. It's more like that. So the beauty of life not just lies in just winning every time, it also lies in the fact that each time you fail you get up again. So that is the beauty of life, and that is what I try to do. I'm just documenting this for myself and for everyone out there who just feel that they want to do some kind of makeover just like me in their life and are not sure if they can do it. So I really hope this video will motivate them and will motivate me also. Like in future if I feel that I'm not able to do something, I'll just look at this video and I'll feel charged up that I was not able to do something at certain point of life and now I am able to do it. So in this way this video might help a lot of you out there, and if it did then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll try to come up with more such videos in this series, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care, bye.